Good morning. Well, after a week off, I decided to take a break from social media, all of it. So, because a friend of mine that hasn't got long to live is getting worse, and yeah, so I went to see him. I can't remember what day it was now, but anyway, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I was very, very, very unwell. So I wouldn't have been able to do anything anyway. So today is just a very short walk, probably about an hour or so. And as you can tell by the skies, don't think we're going to get many shots. But I'll put the route up in a minute. Like I say, it's only around Pewitt Nature Reserve and Pond, and then probably come back along the Nutbrook Trail. So yeah, hope you've all been well. I'm sweating already because I've put the rain jacket on as soon as I walked out the flat. Stopped raining. Typical. But yeah, with everything that's gone on, my anxiety's been fine. That's been alright. But it did upset me because I'm losing this person after almost 20 years of knowing him. And then obviously I've been very ill myself. And it's not something you want to happen, I know, but it's life. And so it's made me think a lot of things. I'm making lifestyle changes as it is anyway. So I'm just going to give everything to my health as well as my hiking, because it's too important to lose. So this video, I'm not going to be doing any more talking after we've looked at the route map. It's just going to be one, sorry if it's a bit shaky this morning. It's just going to be one walking around, and I'll put some music up, whatever. Just walking around. It's only a short route. There's nothing I can really say that you've not seen before. But yeah, let's have a look at the route, and I will see you on the next video. Hope you enjoy. so I'm speaking again. The ground around the back of there was just way too sodden to do anything with, so it's a bit of a mud fest at the minute. So it's better to come on a dry day, because we had a load of rain dump last night around here. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and this is why I did it. 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning when nobody's out. I left when it was still dark, in fact, because I'm only up the road. But yeah, it's Straws Bridge when you go on, and then you come through to this way, and then Nutbrook Trail. When there's nobody about, it's so nice, and that's why I didn't speak all the way through the vid. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything else. And putting this rake out, and I'm sweating. But yeah, I'll put my socials and everything, and I'll put, if I can find a link or anything to down here, I will put it at the bottom as usual. So yeah, Peak District next week, back on it, because I'm feeling a lot better this morning after some fresh air. So I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe.